Welcome to the channel, everyone, and welcome to Tech Tip Tuesdays, where I provide tech tips and tricks for digital art software. This week, we're looking at the one and only Procreate, and this is going to be nice and quick and something which I think can really change the game when it comes to you using Procreate. Let's jump in and have a look. Now, I've been working on this piece recently, this kind of god figure in the middle here.
The gods are just.
Looking pretty buff, got flowers around him. I love to add flowers into things, so I think it really lightens up, heavier subjects or subject matters. What I really want to talk to you about today is making sure you save your brush sizes over here when you're selecting your brushes or you're selecting your brush size. I'm going to go to my soft pastel, which I usually use to mark out a lot of my drawings. And as you can see over on the left, I have these 4 little notches there. Now, these have saved those brush sizes. So what I will do is when I come in and start a piece, I'll start at the largest size, and I may just start to, really rough in the basic idea of where I want these things, like this circle around the edge. And then I'll get down to the next size, come one size down in these notches, and then I'll start to refine this a little bit, drop in this. Now, obviously, you can see that I've already created a nice circle there in the background. But for the purpose of this, let's drop down to the next size again. And as you can see, I can start to darken that up. And you can do this on multiple layers as well. And then what you could probably do is drop down that opacity, come in with another layer over the top, and then go to the smaller size. And then you're coming in right over the top of this, and you've got a pretty nice, I wouldn't say sharp, but you've got a line that you can work with and really build a piece with. Now, I know what you're thinking, how do I set those brush sizes in my Procreate? Now, it's going to work on any brush, and you can set up to 4 different sizes. Obviously, I'm not going to show you on this because I want to keep my sizes exactly the way they are. But if I jump in and choose another brush, like the hard airbrush down here, obviously nothing set here on the left. So what I'm going to do, maybe I want my first size set at 2%. Cool, so 2% selected there. When I tap on it, you're going to see the brush size appears. It's going to show you a little idea of what size that brush is going to be. And then you can hit that little plus icon there. We're going to move our section up. Maybe I want 5% for the next one, little plus. Maybe 10 for the next one, little plus. Maybe we'll go big on the next one, 20 on the next one. Awesome. And I've already got 4 brush sizes there. This is really going to help take your art to the next level because you're going to be more consistent, whether it comes to shading or line work or whatever you're working on. You can really keep everything exactly where it should be, or maybe even start new pieces with a bit more consistency. Please get out there and give this one a go. This really changed the game for me, and it's why I had to share it on Tech Tips Tuesday with you all. Leave me a comment down below if you currently use this one or you're going to start using it, because I promise you, you will love it, or you're probably already loving it if you are using it. Get out there, give this one a go. I'll see you next Tuesday for another Tech Tips Tuesday. And until the next video, I'll catch you then.